Hi there, I'm Ryan Van Dyke, a metallurgist here at Paulo. In this Metallurgy Minute, we'll be discussing a question we get quite often, which is how hard does my part need to be? Trying to choose the correct hardness level for a part or component you're designing can be complicated at times. To simplify things, let's look at hardness levels through the lens of something a bit more common, grades of US bolts. There are three main grades of US bolts, grades 2, 5, and 8. Grade 2 bolts have the lowest strength rating, and since we know that strength and hardness are directly related, that also means they have the lowest hardness. Grade 5 bolts are middle of the road, and grade 8 bolts are the strongest and hardest. There's a general rule for correlating hardness to bolt grades. Grade 2 bolts are in the 20s Rockwell C, grade 5 are in the 30s, and grade 8 bolts are in the 40s. This makes hardness level selection a little bit easier since the person designing the part can simply ask themselves if the strength of a grade 2 bolt would be adequate for the application, or if a grade 5 or even grade 8 bolt would be necessary. And if strength levels and hardness beyond a grade 8 bolt are required, then tool steels with hardness in the 50s Rockwell C should be considered. And while talking about hardness level requirements in this way is a very broad generalization, it's a great way to break down what can be quite a complicated topic. And here at Paulo, we're experts in the hardening of steels. So contact us today to get the support that you and your parts need.